Select an ellipse tool, hold Ctrl, and draw a circle. Create a copy, place it as shown here, and fill color using Smart Fill tool. Remove fill and give outline. Decrease height from upper side and press right-click to create a copy. Hold Shift and decrease width. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Select 3-point curve tool and draw a curve. Hold Ctrl and rotate curve. Press right-click to create a copy. Select both the curves and click on Weld. Decrease the height from the lower side and press right-click to create a copy. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete these lines. Hold Shift and decrease the width. Place it above this object and adjust size. Group it. Draw a circle, select Distort tool, click on Twister Distortion and rotate, counterclockwise. Fill color to this object. Ungroup and create a copy of this object. Draw a line using Freehand tool from the center. Place the pivot point at the lower end and rotate, as shown here. Hold Ctrl and rotate from right to left. Press right-click to create a copy. Use Blend tool to create copies in between these two lines. Increase the number of steps. Increase the height from the top side and adjust width. Break this blend group and group it. Increase the thickness of the lines and change the color to white. Right-click on lines, power clip inside. Click on black object to power clip. Draw a circle. Select Freehand tool and draw a line from the center. Place the pivot point of this line at the center of circle and rotate to 7.5 degrees. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 15 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy. Place this object in between these lines and adjust it. Select the design, hold Shift and select Circle. Press C for vertical center alignment. Place the pivot point at the center circle. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 15 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl R to repeat objects. Same way, adjust this object between the lines and rotate. Now you place this object. Select both, press C. Adjust the size and rotate to 45 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl R to repeat. Select 3-point curve tool and draw a curve as shown here. Draw a small circle using ellipse tool and fill black color. Place it on the curve and adjust size. Create a copy of circle. Use Blend tool to create copies in between these objects. Drag and drop it on the curve using right-click, then click on Option Fit Blend to Path. Place the last object on the opposite side as shown here. Decrease the number of steps. You can decrease the size if needed. Break Blend Group and group all circles. Select this curve, click on Shape tool, and then click on Close Curve. Press Shift Page Up. Select the curve with a group of circles and click on Back minus Front. Rotate to 45 degrees. Hold Ctrl and draw a star shape. Use Shape tool and drag with the Ctrl key. Select both, press E and C. Decrease size and fill color. Change the sides to 16. Contour, contour inside. One step, about 1 mm offset, metered corner. Break contour group. Select both and click on Back minus Front option. Create one more copy inside this. Draw a vertical line from center using freehand tool. Draw a curve using 3-point curve tool. Edit curve using Shape tool. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right and press right-click to create a copy. Weld these curves. Decrease the height from the top and press right-click to create a copy.
Delete line.
Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Rotate to 30 degrees. Delete this circle and lines. Select all. Remove outline and group.